The Jawline Exercise and Face Yoga app promises to help you tone your face, define your jawline, and reduce puffiness, all through short guided routines. Instead of going to a gym or using expensive gadgets, the app teaches you simple facial workouts and massages you can do at home. It's aimed at people who want to improve their facial appearance naturally and maintain a more sculpted look over time. The app is well designed and beginner friendly. You can choose from different goals like lifting, slimming, or relaxation, and follow step-by-step video tutorials. Many users like that it only takes a few minutes a day and can be done anywhere. It also includes daily reminders, progress tracking, and personalized plans that adapt to your needs, making it easy to stay consistent. However, results may vary. While regular users can improve muscle tone or circulation, it's not a magic fix. Real changes take time, and depending on your routine, consistency, and overall health, some exercises may also feel repetitive after a while. And the free version offers limited content unless you subscribe to premium. Overall, though, the Jawline Exercise and Face Yoga app is a helpful tool for anyone interested in natural beauty and self-care. It's safe, relaxing, easy to use, and while you shouldn't expect dramatic overnight results, it can absolutely make your face feel fresher, tighter, and more defined with steady practice.